Hey, Hans fans, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, where only good, sumptuous, and healthy food recipes are brought to you at your doorsteps. Today, I'm super excited to bring to your doorstep another healthy recipe which will help boost your immune system and also keep you going, active as always. This recipe is millet drink recipe. It's a local drink straight from Ghana, what I call my GH Baileys, Ghana Baileys. Charlie, you go like them. Let's not waste much time and get it started. Ingredients are listed in the description box below, so please try to check it out and make this amazing recipe for yourself. Wash every ingredient here properly, transfer it into your clean blender, add good amount of water, and guys, voila, Vijuanisi. After smooth blending, get yourself a very fine strainer, as you can see on your screen, to separate the liquid from the chaff. As simple as ABC. Rinse your blender with excess water and strain it, since there's so much of good amount of millet drink in your chaff. So guys, at this point the manpower comes in. That is, I'm using my hand to squeeze it here. Press and squeeze. So press, squeeze, and releases. Yes, to release the juice. Yeah, that is it. Perfecto. Time to add my milk and sugar, and guys, give it a good stir. Put it in the refrigerator to allow it to cool, to chill. Because Charlie, this drink is best served when chilled. Very nice and refreshing. I know we've tried this at home one way or the other. The drinking of the milk, yes, I know. You know yourself. Yes, you know yourself. We've all tried this at home. We always try to divide the milk into two, drink majority of it, and just pour a little in our teas and whatnot. So guys, at this point in time, if you think I deserve a thumbs up, please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And don't forget to try it out at home. Send me your feedbacks in the comment section below. Share this recipe with your loved one, and guys, they would love it. So refreshing. See you with another video.